In this video, you'll learn how to import an add-on on Blixo in just a few simple steps. The only way to import an add-on is by importing directly in the add-ons section. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Settings section. Next, click on the Add-ons field to access the add-ons list. Click on the Import button. After that, you will be directed to the Spreadsheet Import Subscription Add-ons page. If you don't have an existing CSV file or don't know how to create a valid CSV file, you can click on Download a Sample Subscription Add-ons Import Template to download a sample CSV format file. To upload the add-ons CSV file, click the Upload button and choose the file. You can upload multiple CSV files here. The final step to import is to click the Start Import button. Let's check it out. Success. The add-ons CSV file has been imported successfully. Voila! You have successfully imported add-ons in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.